Ever wondered how to check if all or at least one element in a JavaScript array meets a certain condition? That's where the every and some functions come into play. These two array methods in JavaScript are incredibly handy for testing whether all or some elements in an array satisfy a specified condition. Dive right into the every function. The every function tests whether all elements in an array pass a test provided by a function. It's like a stern examiner inspecting every single element and ensuring they all meet the criteria. If they do, it proudly returns true. But if even one element fails the test, it immediately returns false. The syntax for every involves calling it on an array and passing a callback function. This callback function takes up to 3 arguments, the current element being processed, the index of that element, and the array itself. Optionally, you can specify a thisArg to use as this when executing the callback. For instance, imagine an array of numbers from 1 to 5. Using every, you can check if all these numbers are greater than 0. The function will return true, as indeed all numbers in the array are positive. But if you check if all numbers are even, it's going to return false, because not all numbers in the array are even. Now, shift gears and look at the sum function. The sum function is a little more lenient. It tests whether at least one element in the array passes the test provided by a function. If at least one element passes the test, it celebrates by returning true. If not, it sadly returns false. The syntax for sum is similar to every. It takes a callback function with the same arguments, the current element, its index, and the array. Again, you can specify a thisArg. Using the same array of numbers, you can use sum to check if at least one number is negative. The function will return false because none of the numbers in the array are negative. But if you check if at least one number is even, it's going to return true because there are indeed even numbers in the array. In both these examples, the every and sum functions return Boolean values based on the conditions specified in the callback functions. To sum it up, every and sum are powerful JavaScript array methods that allow you to test all or some elements in an array against a condition. The every function is strict, requiring all elements to pass the test, while the sum function is more forgiving, needing only one element to pass. Remember, these methods return a Boolean value, giving you a clear, true or false answer to your condition. Keep these tools in your JavaScript toolbox. You never know when they might come in handy.